have found a wonderful old piece of furniture that still has a lot of life left in it. All you need to do is repaint it. But how do you know if you should use a furniture refinisher or paint remover on it? Here's a quick tip to help you find out. Take some nail polish remover and moisten a cotton ball. Place this on the furniture and leave it for just a few seconds. If the cotton ball sticks to the furniture, that means the finish is varnish and you should use furniture refinisher. If it does not stick, as this one does not, then you need to use paint remover. Once you've determined what to use, you can then go on to create the ideal project for your home. And remember, anytime you're working with harsh chemicals, it's a good idea to wear gloves to protect your hands and safety goggles.